Friends, it is Running Kimono, and Walgreens Christmas clearance hit 70% off this morning. And those goofy boosters that we had, like a 10 off of 30, the 5 off of 25, yes, it is in fact working with some of this merchandise. So if you might have clipped it, I had 4 altogether. I only used 2 this morning because I want to go out to a different store later this afternoon. By all means, get your baskets to either 25 or 30 and see where it takes you. And yeah, it's absolutely great savings. Now, the rumor on the street is that next Thursday, it's either supposed to hit 80 or 90%. I was told that everything would be packed up, but maybe it depended on your market and how much they have left. The store that I visited today, a lot of the Christmas stuff was gone, which was crazy, even at the promotions that they had last week. To answer 2 quick questions, a lot of you are like, well, is the buy 4, get the 5th for free still happening? And to answer that, the answer is absolutely not. That was a promotion that ended yesterday. So if you might have been online last night around 11, you might have gotten some stuff at 70% off with that promotion. Who knows, maybe they'll cancel it. You never know, it's Walgreens. But it's not, it's only 70% off today. And with those boosters, I could get my stuff really low using points that I was like, you know, that's what I want to do. So, and I just gambled because I didn't think this stuff would be there next week, or even if everything would just get packed up here or there would be nothing left. So I just took a gamble and I went for 70. And believe it or not, guys, I paid very little out of pocket. I think after everything was said and done, just a couple dollars, and then I got $3 back from IBOTTA for this. I did do the Truvius sweetener deal in store, and a lot of you are saying that the manufacturer coupon for this product is not scanning. I'm just going to jog you through this one right away. So buying 2 of these, it's $2.99. 1 is free, so that's $2.99. And then I basically used points to pay that down, submitted the receipt to IBOTTA, guys, and I got back $1.50 for each, making both boxes for free. Manufacturer coupon, obviously, the staff will have to key it in for you. And another thing I want to talk about is Noxzema. Apparently that IBOTTA rebate, which is $1 back, it's not attaching to anything in store. And I tried this morning to get some stuff to attach. And the promotion for Noxzema is buy 1, get 1 50% off. You know what I would do? Is pass on it, because for whatever reason, the price in store is, I think, $2 more on each product. And yes, it is on a buy 1, get 1 50% off promotion if you look it up online or if you're in store. And it's really goofy. Maybe the rebate will change next week or they'll put something in differently, but I think people are getting it over at Walmart and it's a better deal, but I would not do that Noxzema deal because it just seems from go, there's a lot of like weird stuff going on. And as you can see, I didn't grab it, so just keeping it 100 with you guys. But yeah, this was really good clearance shopping this morning, and I'll give you the price points for everything here in a quick second. And then I did some clearance shopping over at Rite Aid. Some stuff at Rite Aid is 90% and other stuff is 75%, and that happened as of Sunday, so I'm gonna show you some of the items. And then a couple little items over at Meijer we'll talk about at the very end. Weather report for you guys. Well, it's a beautiful one today, and yeah, hi to my mom if she's watching. Okay, so this first basket over at Walgreens, the first item that I got over at Walgreens is this little shot glass set. My husband kind of likes to drink Baileys at nighttime now, so just a little something after his long day. And this guy was $3.89. And then I grabbed 3 of these candle sets. Well, there's no mystery. I've had my eye on these for a really long time. And at 70% off, they're, I think they were $29.99, so it was $8.99, so like basically $9. So adding all these 4 items up together, it was $30.89. Now the 10 off of 30 came off beautifully, and I had to pay, the new total was $20.86. I utilized $20 of Walgreens cash. I paid 86 cents plus tax for these 4 items. And to use your Walgreens cash, I mean, I think this is a really smart move. Basket that I had, these loofahs are not part of it. It includes 2 shaving kits, 1 Yankee candle, Real Techniques, a whole bunch of these little spiral things for your hair, little hair ties. These are really good. 2 Truvias, some tags, and more tags. This was like basically $30 of merch as well. Now I had loaded some 10 off of 30s and then a 5 off of 25. The 5 off of 25 for whatever reason came off for this. But I'm just gonna go through these items one by one because it is quite a hodgepodge, but I still got $5 of savings. And I also threw in one $4 register reward too. And I used $20 in points, and I really didn't feel this one out of pocket. So these little tags, which are super cute, were 59 cents each. And these are Hallmark, and I thought I could use them for next year. And then these sticker ones, which I really like too, and they are really nice looking. This was 74 cents, so really great price point. The Real Technique sponge, I'm hoping to find more of these at different stores. This was, I don't have the price, it must have been free. Go Tools, this was kind of interesting. This is on a buy one, get one 50% off, and so one was $1.50 and one was 75 cents. And these super cute little hair ties, and this is really, I love these. It's made out of plastic, but it really holds your hair, and they were 20 cents each. So they had a whole bunch of Walgreens like stocking stuffers, and they were all like $1 each, but I wanted these ones. The Gillette travel kit was $4.50, and I grabbed the last 2. If I was you and you were not looking for toys, because toys is also part of this clearance, I would try to get as many of these kits if you like, you know, these sort of kits. I think it's great. And then the last thing to get my basket to 30 was one of these Yankee candles, $4.99. So from food to toys, there's a whole host of stuff at 70% off. If you might have those boosters, I think now is the time to pounce and at least try to make a deal or two happen. Use Register Rewards or Walgreens Cash. Lots of really nice stuff too remaining. So it's not just what I showed you. So I would definitely go and walk around today, which is Thursday the 7th. And as you can see, it says 70% off Christmas goods. Only seasonal aisle. And as you see the dates, it's from the 7th, which is today, right till February the 6th. I don't think this is going to go on till then. Rumor on the street is that on the 14th, which is next Thursday, it'll either be 80 or 90, but will there be slim pickings at that point? I don't know. And if you really suck at math, grab a screenshot of this just to give you a basic idea of how I'm getting this math to balance. So 70, but you're paying that 30 cents for $1, so that 70% savings, so you're paying is actually 30 cents. So if you're grabbing an item that's exactly $1, that would be 30 cents. Jumping up to like something that's 20 bucks, it would be 6. So that's just to give you a basic reference point in case you're like, well, how does this work? And also so you're not paying more, so you know what you're grabbing. It should be ringing up for like this board of price points. The next store that we have is Rite Aid, and the first couple deals, I'm going to talk about deals before I talk about clearance, are courtesy of Ravi. Ravi's here on YouTube and Instagram. He's a really great guy. You guys should follow him. He just has the greatest Rite Aid deals, and he's on top of everything, so I really appreciate it. So this first deal is absolutely a great money maker. You will find these safety keys, you know where they have like stuff for cell phones, batteries, that sort of stuff in that section? That's where I found these. And it's by this company called First Health. And these guys are $1.57, so they're on some sort of weird and goofy clearance. You buy one of these, you get back $4 of bonus cash, making that a $2.43 moneymaker. You can do this twice per store card, so how fantastic is that? Freeman masks, they're on this really goofy promotion of buy one get one free, and when you buy them in increments of 4, you get back $4 of bonus cash. So here they were $2.19 on a buy one get one free promotion, so I paid for 4 of them, which was $8.76, and then I got back $8 of bonus cash, making it 76 cents for the 8. I live super rural, so this stuff is a couple pennies more, but I know a lot of you, it's like, you know, $2, so that would make it a complete freebie, but what a great little deal. Thanks, Ravi. So a lot of the kids' toys are on clearance, and I have a bunch of nieces, and I like to gift books. So at 90% off, this book was 49 cents. These are also 90% off, so they were 89 cents. How to Catch Santa and the Dr. Seuss book. So super cute stuff. 90% is where it's at. Another 90% find was this Barbie, and it's $19.99, so I paid $1.99. You put it in water and it changes colors for her hair and all that stuff. We have a family friend and I thought his daughter would really love that, so I got one of those. And then this cute little Care Bear was 99 cents. The original price point was $9.99, and it was so cute I couldn't leave it in the store. Hello! Other 90% finds are these little treat boxes for cupcakes. I thought maybe next year I would try to make some hot cocoa bombs. So you get 3 of these treat boxes for 49 cents. The original price point is $4.99. And then this little, by that same company, First Health, this guy was $34.99 at 90% off. It was $3.49, where you can make your at-home disinfectant. So hopefully that works. And then we have these little poofs or loofahs, and they were 74 cents each. And I think this was only 75% off, but I thought this would be super cute for a future gift to throw it in, you know, like a little stockpile gift. So I thought that was a cool little purchase. Last 2 little deals that we have is with the Let Me Shine. This is a 75 count of these disinfectant wipes. The original price point for this one, guys, is $5.99, so it's 50% off, and this sales price point is apparently going to be taking place right till the end of January. So if you consider that at Meijer, I think it's like $2.51 for a 35 count. So to get something twice the size for a very similar price, I think that's a really great deal. So I'm excited about that. And then with an M-Perk or a coupon from the January P&G, this plug set is down to like $2.43, something very inexpensive. We have a 5 off M-Perk or the $5 coupon from the January P&G, basically making this guy just for tax, so a freebie. It's Meijer, and Meijer is in the Midwest only. Google your location if you might have this grocery store or not. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.